Hello everyone. Today we're going to draw an easy step-by-step palm tree. So let's start. We're just gonna make it really easy so you can really follow and have fun. What I do first is I do this. As you can see, I again check what are the shapes in here. Sorry, what are the lines in here? So here there's like a reverse or inverted C's and like C's here. So let's do it. Again, the inverted C's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As much as you want. And then we're going to do the other side. C, 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 C. Easy, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to connect them. Connect, 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 right? And then here we're going to do this kind of like long and then triangle here and then back line and connect it, because that's going to be the bud. It's like a candle or something, as much as make it long or however you want it, but that's a very basic thing. And then we're going to put like a line here. It's just like there's a kind of baby leaf there that's kind of sprouting. And then we're gonna make some, the branches of the leaf itself. So we're gonna scatter it, and there. Looks easy, right? Next, what we're gonna do is, it's too bare like that before we put the leaves on. So let's put some shading. What I do is I start here. Again, at the edge, you make it kind of long, and you make it like C, and here, like that. So how I do it, it's like reverse C, and then here, C, right? We're gonna do it again. Reverse C, and then C here. So I'm kind of aligning my shading on the line on the sides. Okay, on those lines, okay? And then I do it on the lower part too. See? And then here, I'm kind of aligning like that. Don't worry about anything. We're going to blend it. So even though it's not that finesse, it's okay. So let's do it again here. Just keep on practicing with me. So it's like letter C, 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 C. Or here it's J, sorry. And then here, just follow the line. And then here, follow the line. See, it's like J. Here, it's like reverse C, and then here. What do you notice? You notice that here, there's a line here. And I have space here and space here. Line, space, space. Line, space, space. Line, space, space, right? I really intended to do that so that there is an artistic effect there. Okay, as you can see here, there's the dark side, the bright side. But if you want, you can put the shading connected here, but this is just my way. As you go on in art, you will have your own techniques. It's just like how you do in regular work. After you have your training, you will be able to do your own techniques and tips on how to make things easier and fancier. Okay, so now we're going to start with the leaves. So with the leaves, this is just what I do. So it's just like check, just how I told you in my previous videos. Check, check, check. So it's dark here and it's light here. So let's make it. So dark to light, dark, dark, dark. So as you move on checking, you just move forward. Check, 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 check. Right? And then here too. Right? Have you seen a palm tree? They are all like straight, very thin leaves. So we're just gonna do it here. And you can make as much as you want. Like how many leaves you like. it's up to you. But to me, this is just for the purpose of showing you an easy way of doing palm tree and doing the leaves. See, check, 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 check. See? Just check, easy, right? And then check, and then check, 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 right? Easy, right? And then here, the middle one, what I do is when there's a triangle like that, like a corner like that, I shade it from the corner going down. I really like the dark effect here, and then it becomes light. And then when you go to the sides, you make it kind of longer. So there's another triangle here. I do it like that too. And then there. Easy, right? Then I put some roots here. Yeah, because you know, you want to make this like a ground, right? And then if you want to add more, because it's very leafy, if you like it like that, you can just add like that. Or here, or here, or more here. So, and then just start checking. Easy, right? Well, you can also do this with colored pencil if you like. You can make this green, and then this as a brown. Easy, right? And here. It's really cute and pretty. So now you have your palm tree. And what we're going to do next is, this is already okay and pretty and easy, right? So you can try it and then we can blend it. So, because I really like to blend because it gives that subtle look, you know? It's not abrupt that, you know, there's a line and then it stops, there's space and then there's lines, shading. I want to blend it so there's more dramatic look. It looks like when you blend it, it looks like it's really complicated, but actually it's not, because actually your lines are not really that aligned, but you cover it and you make it look professional. So here, just blend it a bit, the leaves, so they look kind of connected. It's one way also to hide the errors that you have, or the lines that you don't like. There's nothing really such as an error, but it's just whatever. If there's something you don't like in your drawing, then it's one way to hide too. There, you got your palm tree. Congratulations. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and keep on practicing. It's really fun to draw and it's fun to share. So please subscribe, and let's share this drawing so people will be happy and feel fulfilled in their artwork. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye guys. Stay safe.